So let's all be mimes. I want you to try it and be creative. First, we're walking in place. I'll come over here. Yes. So the walk in place is like the moonwalk. If you come backwards, it's the moonwalk. But otherwise, you can actually go forwards. So what happens is you press down and the foot goes back. You come over, press, and the foot goes back. Press. Now you try it. Very good. Let's see if you can walk backwards now. Very good. Let's see if you can go forwards. Great. Now, we see the water. Walk up to it. See it. Show it with your body and your hands a little. And then wash our face. And feel it right down to your fingertips and toes. Very good. Now, we're going to see the bird. So, having washed our face, we're looking up anyway. Oh, what's that? A bird. Oh. So, how do we show that we're seeing and feeling this beautiful bird in the sky? It's called attention and release. So, like if you were to do robotics, you would hit the tension of the muscle and release and then move. Hit, release, move. So here, there's a muscle here in our chests, and it's like, so we can show what we're seeing with our heart is what it is. So let's see, you do it. Very good. Next, we pick up the bird. Now, the bird has fallen. The bird has a broken wing or is hurt in some way. We have to go to the bird. Bird comes closer as we're going. So here, but the bird is in motion, it's moving and doesn't really, is a little bit afraid to be touched. So we show the dynamics of it and the bird needs to move. So it's like a moving heartbeat, okay? Then it's okay. The bird allows us to hold the bird. Oh, very good. So we're showing love to the bird. Now, becoming the bird. And this is the hardest part and the most fun. And then you can shift right out of it. So you're still holding the bird. This is a bit of shape shifting. So we shift from our bird self to our human self. And it's really fun, yeah? So you can take a step, which the audience sees, but it's really, they're looking at you. You come around, and you are then completely shifted. Very good. Now we fly. Now this is about opposition of movement, moving away, up and away. So one foot out, the back foot back, and you can start bending the front leg, knee, okay? Now the arms are out, and you find the elbows. So your hands, first you have a plane going down all the way to the fingertips. Then the elbows twist up, just the elbows, okay? Then the elbows go up, and you bend the knee down, and the elbows go down, and you lift up. So you're doing this opposition of the elbows going up and the body going down, the elbows going down and the body going up. So that creates the float. And isolating the different parts of the body. So it's elbows, hand, the whole, and then the elbows down in the hand, and the whole arm down. It's your turn now. I want to see your creativity. Aloha.